So I was gonna go ride today. Didn't happen. As you can tell, it's raining and thundering, and I'm not afraid to ride in it. It's actually really nice. I've been down in southern Arizona before and caught in some big storms down there, and horrible. So I don't mind riding in the rain. I don't wear chaps or a slicker or nothing, just kind of deal with it. So I didn't go riding. So I figured I'm going to make a video with the puppies. I'm gonna show you guys how I start my puppies. I've thrown a couple things out there, but I'm gonna try to be a little bit more detailed on it. Unless I get hit by lightning, and that won't be good. Get a lot of views. But I think they're hiding out of the rain and thunder too. But I'm gonna get them out, get them used to the mud and the thunder and rain. And I'm gonna play with them with that drag a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how just in the last couple weeks I did the whoop whoop when I threw food out, and you'll see how they respond now. So keep it watching. About time you do something. I call this my puppy box. The way I can shut these. What I'll do is throw those little pups in here and just kind of drive them around. Get them used to the box. And then I'll even tie them up on top. Get them used to being up on the rig. See if I can get them to come to me. I've been doing the whoop whoop for a couple weeks now. Whoop, 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 whoop. Gonna get it. Might rain on me. Whoop, 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 whoop. There he comes. Whoop. Hey. Who is that? Helado? Whoop, whoop. There you go. Oh, you smelled it behind you. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop. I just do that. Make sure I got some food. Look at this. This is bear fat sat in my truck and still had fat in it. Whoop. Helado. Helado. Whoop. Is that Rodney? Up. There you go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. 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 I usually put their nose down when I do that. Here. Look at all that on my fingers. There's we. Get out there and find it. Get out there and find it. So once I start feeding these dogs, once they start eating food and I feed, even when I fed the mom, I did that little whoop whoop. When they get older, there's some over here. Come find it. I'm not going to hand it to you. Find it. Find it. Find it. There it is. It's there. Oh, she found one. Good job, Dinjin. Rodney, you're stepping on it. Probably give him the diarrheas. You find one over there? Good boy. Well, that's Helado, Moravni, Dinjin. All means frozen. Their mother or their mom's name is Frosty. All that means Frosty in other languages. That's how I name my dogs. Weird stuff. So to recap on that, to get them to come, teach them to come to me with that noise, I always have something to feed them. Hamburger, whatever. I just did bear fat, so I got a couple bags of this. If you watch my other video, rendering bear fat, you'll kind of see how I saved it. And I use it to train my pups. And when they get a little older, a couple more weeks, I'll just throw it out in the yard and call them, and they'll probably come over and do it. If you look at some of my puppy training videos, I think I have another one. Quit chewing on trash. Hey, that's why there's trash in my yard. But once you get them used to coming to you for food, when they get older and you're out in the hills and you do that noise, it just second nature. I took a little video with my iPhone on when I call them, how they perk their ears up and come over. I'll see if I can get that loaded. I've never done it off my iPhone. Still using their nose. That's how I get them to come to me. And I start that at 4 weeks. And these dogs are... Get them! Get them! Get them! Not you, Boo. Yeah, got all the dogs riled up now. Once they get a little older... Hey, Lotto, you're a big old male. You're a little skittish, though. This dog here, here's another thing about when you raise him on your own. This dog here, he kind of stays to himself and he'll just kind of disappear out there. These two girls here, hey, these two girls here, they stay right by me. They'll follow me around. They kind of stick together here. Go find it. Lotto found it. Oh, Marovny found it. But you learn their little characteristics. These two girls, they stick together and always got their nose down wherever I go. Lotto, the big male there in the middle, he's kind of a loner. It's nice raising them on your own from pups. So I'll raise these up. Right now my favorites are the two females. Well, that's how I get them to come to me. I'll keep doing that till they die. Now, what I'm gonna do is probably go get my scent. I already did a little bit of that this morning. I'm gonna go get my scent, sprayed on my rag I got hanging in a tree. Ugh. I put my bear fat up or someone will eat it. And I try to get my boys to do this when I'm not in town. They'll take them out and do these drags, spray a little scent on them and play with them. So what I'll do also is I'll hang these in a tree. They'll come around and play with it throughout the day. You know, I make it a little higher and higher. Make them have to work for it. All that trash in my yard from them stupid puppies dragging it everywhere. When I wear you out already, they go take naps in their pen. I'll spray some scent. See if I can get them to play. They're all drinking out the water trough. So what I'll do is just spray a little scent on this. Usually do it kind of strong when they're pups. And then when they get a little older, I'll start doing drags with them. So that was a good one. I'm not afraid of thunder. Hey, hey. Get it, get it, get it. What I do here is I get them interested in the drag. A little bit of competition. You just got to be careful when they get too aggressive and let them know now. Where you going, Dinjin? Get it, get it. Or I'll give it to my girls and let them drag it around. I made them go in the house right now because they get distracted with them. But I'll give them, one of my kids will take them and just play with them for a while until they get bored of it. Get it. That dog over there trying to eat. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. They're doing a lot better. Only been a couple weeks really. I think they're 7 weeks old. Be nice. I'll keep doing this every week. 2, 3, every day if my boys do it. All right, now we're gonna do some rig rack training or up on a box. This is where I utilize my children. You guys gave her the biggest one. Okay, hook them up. You got him? You got the biggest one. Need help? Watch out, watch out. Let them get, hey, just hold them right here. Hold them right here until they're ready. Okay, now we gotta, who's gonna ride back here?
I can. I can.
Okay, jump in the back.
Me?
Yeah, let me have this dog.
That was the hardest one. It's the heaviest.
Okay,
I didn't know.
hook them up. Okay, Lyndon, you're gonna drive. You guys sit in between the puppies. Don't hold them, just let them. Make sure they don't fall out.
Sit on the side.
No, they can sit in the middle just so they don't. Try to make sure they don't fall out, okay, guys?
Go forward. Here, sit on the edge real quick so puppy won't go. You're okay.
Yeah. Lyle.
I think it's choking him.
No, he just don't want to stand up. He'll get used to it. Thing to do, especially with Lyndon driving, almost put me in a tree. Probably run me into the gooseneck. Not that I don't trust them. Well, this is how we rig train them. Once they get a little older, they'll start running them down the roads. The boys will, right?
Yep. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notifications bell.
And send us some money for his hairbrush.
I don't need a hairbrush.
So that's how I start my puppies. I'm going to try to keep progress on this as I go. I'm not real good at it because I forget, but I'm going to try. So if you have any... What do you want? Are you coming out here to visit me? Well, come out here with me. Come here with me then. You can make a video with me. And so that's how I make my videos. My beautiful wife's here to help me in this video. That's all we do. It's not very exciting, is she? Go away. So she got a tooth pulled today, so I can't be mean to her. So I start them with coming, throwing food down, whoop whoop. Do a little drag training, then I throw them on my quad. Make my kids do a lot of work. If you have any questions, send an email right there. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notifications button. You hear my kids screaming in the house. And then keep your eye open for the next video. I'll keep trying to keep up with this as I go until I start dropping them with older dogs. And bear season's coming, but they're not going to be ready. But they'll be around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. Always remember, keep your old powder dry.